Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders, and today I am playing with the Spellbinders December 2022 embossing folder of the month and one of the Advent calendar products. This is a stamp set that came in the Advent calendar, and here I stamped it out on a piece of cardstock. It's kind of a building stamp set. I'm also going to use the Essential Arches die set and use that to die cut both this floral grouping with the sentiment and a matting layer behind it out of some shimmery white cardstock. We do have the brushed white in the Spellbinders shop now that is identical to the shimmery white cardstock that I'm using here. I'm also going to take the embossing folder of the month and we're going to emboss a piece of cardstock. I decided to do a 4-bar card here. That is a 3.5 by 5 inch card base, and I trimmed this down to 3.25 by 4 3/4. Now we're going to use this golden flamingo opal shimmer paste. Shimmer polish. That might be what it's called. Gilding polish. Yes, there we go. So I'm going to lube up my little sponge that's part of the package. So you don't even have to find an applicator to apply this. You just get a little bit on this sponge and use it to apply lightly over the embossed area. This is mainly going to catch on the raised portions of this design, and it will really bring this whole image to life. I'm also going to add some to the edges of this cardstock to help it stand out just a little more, since we're going to apply this or adhere this to a white card base. I think this is a really fun size, especially if you're going to give it to someone with a gift card or include it with a gift or with some flowers. It's quite lovely. The embossing folder of the month this month is intertwining hearts, kind of in a lattice pattern, a very geometric pattern. It is gorgeous, and it really goes well with this arch and with this floral grouping. This arch fits just perfectly on this 4-bar card. You can use all kinds of different sizes. Don't feel you're stuck to just A2, slimline, mini slimline, or 5x7. Here are a couple pictures of this finished card. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all the things. And check that description box below for all of the products that I used today. Until next time, here are a couple more videos I thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.